Imagine someone greetings you. How do you feel? Obviously, you have a wonderful smile on your face and you would like to communicate with that person, isn't it? But the same person insults you. How do you feel? Obviously, you feel bad about it and you don't want to meet that person, even you don't want to see that face again, right? So the person is one, but there are two different conversations. First is a positive and second is a negative, only on based on what kind of words have been used in that conversation. Yes, words can make us laugh or cry, they can hurt or heal, they can destroy or create. So words have enough influence to transform our emotions. They cannot generate only emotions, but they can also create some actions. So here I want to introduce two important words. Those have enough influence in our day-to-day conversation. So let's move to the first one, and the word is because. Yes. The word because is a transitional word. It gives us reasoning answer to any question of why. It is an explanatory word, so it gives us clear-cut idea about what we are going to speak. It defines our intention behind our speaking. And it gives us specificity. The more specific you are, the more credible your points. So the word because helps us in two different ways. First, by making clear about our intention that what we are going to speak. And second, when we try to apply the word because in our conversation and when we don't find any particular reason, at that time it helps us to stop speaking useless thing. So this is all about the word because. Now let's move to the second word. And the second word is but. We all knew that but is a conjunction. But where and how to use two different sentences with but, it is an art. Because the word but is a double-edged sword. The two different sentences by using the word but has two different meanings and it can create two different emotions. Or we can understand it different way. Imagine yourself. Someone has prepared a nice meal for you and you have two different opinions. The first one, that the dish is delicious but it is salty. And the second one, the dish is salty but it is delicious. So second sentence in first opinion can demotivate someone even after giving 100% of making that particular dish. But the second sentence in second opinion can motivate someone so that so-and-so person can take your feedback and next time will take care of it. So the use of word because and but in our day-to-day conversation is very small thing, but it has a big impact, or I would say it has a great impact in our relationship. What I can understand, what I can perceive. We must understand that misunderstanding is one and the only block for any effective communication. So use these two words wisely. My mom used to say during my childhood that always open your mouth for eat well and speak well. So we'll meet you soon. Till that, be blessed with your divine health.